Hello, hello, hello! Today's video we're going to make everybody's favorite snacks. The snacks that are famous in almost every country. It is rich in flavor and simple to make. Mushroom empanadas! So, stay tuned! Let's prepare the ingredients to make the dough. Combine and mix the flour and salt in the bowl. Add in the butter, and with a fork, mix all together until the flour resembles chunky sand. Slowly add the water and stir until the water is incorporated. On a clean surface, gently knead the flour mixture into a smooth dough. Shape the dough into a ball and wrap the dough with a plastic. Place in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, let's prepare for the empanada filling. Finely chop the mushrooms, bell pepper, garlics, and a shallot. Peel and grate a medium carrot. In a medium non-stick skillet, heat 1 tablespoon olive oil over medium heat. Add the shallot and saute it until soft. Add in the garlics and carrot. Bell pepper and mushrooms. Add soy sauce, paprika powder, and coriander. Lower the heat, add fresh basil, black pepper, and salt. Cook until softened and the water evaporates. Remove from the heat and let it cool. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly flour a clean surface. And thinly roll the dough with a rolling pin. Cut into rounds using a round cutter or a bowl or whatever you have in the kitchen. The amount of empanadas will vary depending on size. This dough will produce about 12 discs. Place a spoonful of empanadas filling. Moisten the edges of the disc with water and top with cheese. Use a fork to press and seal the edges closed. Transfer the empanada to a parchment paper. Lightly brush each empanada with egg wash. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Ta-da! The mushroom empanadas is ready!